Brain Boosters, an NGO in early childhood development. The story of Carina Strydom. She was a high school teacher from 1982 to 1993 in South Africa. And she embarked on an early childhood development program with them. In 1997, she discovered the Glendoman method, and she taught her youngest son to read and to do math when he was 16 months old. In 1998, she did a course in Montessori, and her boys attended a Montessori preschool. She was so impressed with the method. But she identified shortcomings. Even with the Glendoman method, he did not include play when teaching young children. But then she also identified the shortcomings of Montessori. In those years, she did not teach children under the age of 2. And that was where our focus actually was. After Carina studied other theories, she realized that existing methods in early childhood development were slow and strenuous to teach when using objects. Young children don't know to look at the attributes of the object. They only see the object. They see a ball. They see scissors. They see a cap. They only see the object, not the color of the object, not the shape or quantities of the object. She became so passionate after seeing the results with her own children that she wanted to share it with other people. Her dream of impacting literacy and numeracy started in 1999 when she taught teachers of daycares in Soweto. However, she did not have the financial backing to fulfill her dream. In 2000, she did brain development with her boy. Both of them played violin from the age of 4, and she also developed a reading program to build onto the Glendoman's program using phonetics. In 2003, she developed a financial literacy board game that was endorsed by the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, and she presented a TV series about children and money on a DSTV channel called CakeNet. From 2000 to 2012, she taught her sons to invest in the stock market. Her eldest son, from grade 1 to grade 12, bought a second-hand car, and of course I had to add a little bit of money for him to be able to buy that car. But he saw his money invested and growing over a long period of time. The year 2003, a very bad year for Carina. She got divorced, her mother died, her father died, and even her dog ran away. All of that in 12 months. But then in 2004, she met Hendrik Maree. and they shared the same dream of making an impact on early childhood development. Hendrik Maree is the MD of Eureka DIY, a businessman interested in brain development and someone with a lifelong passion for education. He was the councillor and vice chair at Technikon RSA for 15 years, and he started an entrepreneurship competition at schools 30 years ago. After interesting discussions, Hendrik and his daughter Irene and Karina decided to go to a toy fair while in China and discussed the idea of toys for an age-appropriate parenting range. They then developed a parenting range of toys and books. And in 2010, it was the birth of Brain Boosters. The co-founders, Hendrik Maree and Karina Strydom. In 2010, they appointed Linda Smith as CEO, and she was the CEO from 2010 to 2016. Unique books. Simplicity is necessary for very young children. It was black text on yellow background to stand out and without a picture. Showing text without a picture forces children to look at the words and not the picture. In 2010, Karina became the co-founder, the author and program developer. Brain Boosters leveraging the IT, the HR and national logistics and infrastructure of Eureka DIY Solutions. Eureka was the mother company of Brain Boosters. In 2010, they appointed a design team. They also appointed Nikki Bush as parenting expert. There was parenting information on the back of the story boxes. We appointed Grace Mwasi as our first trainer in 2011. And what a trainer she was. Then in 2011, we launched a parenting program. We believe parents are the missing link in South Africa's education. And therefore, we targeted companies to provide the story boxes to their staff and allow them to be trained 1 hour in work time. Corporate South Africa? Just not interested. Eureka offers monthly parenting training and toys to 300 factory workers at Eureka. How many story boxes did we sell from 2011 to 2020? 41,000 story boxes. In 2011, we had our first branded vehicle in purple. In 2012, we launched a daycare program for age 1 to 5, and we called it the Play and Learn program. Existing programs in preschools are aimed at privileged kids with vocabulary. Children with little vocabulary needed a different approach. So we were rethinking teaching and learning in early childhood development in South Africa. In 2012, overcoming challenges. We had to tweak and design the program to try to bring all children on par with advantaged children who's got parents at home reading to them, singing, and just interacting with their children. Educated parents teach their children these concepts: color, shape, numbers, big or small, position, and written words, through reading and play before they go to preschool. These concepts are needed to understand the world around you, as everything has a color, everything is in shape, everything are in numbers, in quantities. Everything is big or small, and it's got a position in front, behind, next to you, and everything has got a written word. Parents left behind by apartheid don't have the knowledge. The first rung of the ladder is missing, and therefore most children struggle to climb the ladder of education. I introduced the blue plate methodology. Using objects to teach concepts such as color, shape, and numbers are confusing. But if we use a blue plate, is it a plate? Is it blue? Is it a circle? Or is it just one? How must the child to know to look at the attribute of the object and not the object, plate itself? Very confusing to young children. Rather teach color, shape, and numbers in isolation. Do not use an object. Children learn basic concepts effortlessly if the method is age appropriate. Young children can learn these basic concepts effortlessly if the method is age appropriate. Show me, which one is red? Red. Thank you. Volgende kleur? Blauw. Blauw. Ons wat so, ek kan blauw en pink vat. So. Which one? Show me.
Pink.
Pink. Oh my word, is pink. Yeah, okay, pink is that. And this one, let's do this. Show me yellow. Which one? Show me yellow. Yellow. Which one? Yellow. Green. Parents are the missing link in education. Parents play a huge part in all the programs we have developed. How many products did we sell from 2012 to 2020? 3,400 buckets for teachers and 25,000 parent packs at daycare centres. In 2013, UNISA held an international ECD conference, and they invited Cyril Ramaphosa, then the Vice President, and Dr. Tsepo Motsepe, his wife, and Mary Young from Harvard to attend. I then presented Brain Boosters and the Blue Plate methodology at a pre-function, where Cyril Ramaphosa and his wife, Dr. Tsepo Motsepe, were present. Tsepo Motsepe bought our parenting story boxes for her own grandchildren, and it then happened so that the Shanduka Trust asked us to develop a program for grade R to grade 3 in one of their schools. Tsepo Motsepe bought our parenting story boxes for her own grandchildren, and it then While I was developing the program at the Shanduka school, there was an eureka moment. when I developed an interactive method where all children participated and not just one child answering a question. We rolled out the Catch-Up program in a joint venture with the Kagiso Shanduka Trust and the Free State Department of Education. We ran the program in 38 primary schools and we reached about 12,300 learners from grade R to grade 3. In 2013, we won a Gender Mainstreaming Award. In 2013, we also founded the Eureka Varsity. We got our ETDP accreditation for the Eureka Varsity. UNISA invited me to present in the plenary session at an early childhood development conference in Rome. We attended the summit in Qatar. Mary Young, the senior advisor from Harvard, then invited me to present Brain Boosters in Mexico. Here are my boys in 2015. They are the reason for the existence of Brain Boosters. In 2015, we became part of the Tuluntulu app. You can watch the Brain Boosters daycare training anywhere on your smartphone. And you can download it free from the Google Play or App Store. In 2016, we launched another 2 programs. The one was a Reading Booster program and the other one EFL, English First Additional Language. Our first graduation for the Eureka Varsity students took place in 2016. We were also very happy to be one of the 7 finalists out of 145 programs worldwide. We won the ECD Supplier of the Year award in Africa. And we were so proud to win the Education NGO of the Year award in Africa. And can you believe it? We won the ECD award in Africa again in 2017. We appointed Paul Mashigoni as the Director of Brain Boosters in 2017. In 2017, I was honored to become part of the Legacy Project in South Africa. In 2017, we launched a maths product for grade R1 and 2. This, however, is not a workbook. It is a teaching tool with fun and games. And here you can see our progress made in the number of schools over the years, starting with 1 school, then 10 schools, then 27, 43, and then 78 schools in 2017. This involved the Department of Education in the Free State, but also Gauteng, and of course the Shanduka Foundation, and Eureka also sponsored a lot of the products. All our research documents are on our website, but we really would like to thank Kagiso Shanduka Trust for their involvement over the years. Up to date, we have reached at least 158 primary schools with more than 58,600 learners from grade R to grade 3. Our previous daycare program consists out of 6 buckets, and it was like 6,000 Rand. People were complaining that they did not have enough money, and we then came up with a solution, a 1-bucket daycare program, and we call it Play and Learn Light. 1,000 Rand for 1 bucket with the most important concepts to teach in daycares. I became the CEO of Brain Boosters in 2017. but I'm still the program and product developer as well. The Chinese government invited us to Beijing, and in the end I also developed a product, a 5-in-1 product for them based on our blue plate methodology for concepts. The Brain Boosters methodology is embraced in this handbook, and it's at least on 32 pages that they show our teaching methods. What an honor to get recognition in this way for the Brain Boosters' different way of teaching mathematics. In the first year of the cluster program, we got to 60 clusters. Remember I said that there's 7 daycares in a cluster. This means that we've reached 420 daycares in our first year. We started with 3 Brain Boosters assistants. Each assistant has 140 daycare centers per year. A group in the beginning of 70, the first half of the year, and then in the second half of the year, another 70 daycares. A total of 140 daycare centers per year per assistant. We run this program via WhatsApp groups. So each assistant will go to the daycares, they will do 2 activities with the children while the teacher is watching. And then when the teacher is doing the 2 activities, our assistant will take a video and immediately post that on the WhatsApp group. Our head office receive the videos, they check and they see that the correct book that they do, is the activity done correctly. If not, they will immediately give feedback and we assist the assistant in this way on the spot through the WhatsApp groups. We now have 2 Brain Boosters vehicles that's branded, but most of our assistants use taxis to get to their different daycares. And that's the reason that a cluster daycares, the daycares must be close to one another, that they are able to get to all of them within a day. 7 daycares in a cluster. We are proud to say that we've reached more than 670 daycares in our first year of running the program. And the word is spreading like wildfire throughout the communities. They all now see that the children are learning faster and easier. We have an online map with all the locations of the daycares, and we keep on updating this. What about 2020? Our cluster program is only for 2 to 3-year-olds. And now the principal said to us, but what about all the other age groups? We solved this problem by providing a poster program for free to principals, and we trained them at our head offices in January. And now they have to implement it in all the other classrooms, put up all the posters in each classroom, and then assess the learners throughout the year. So the principal will have the responsibility to see that all the children in the school know their basic concepts. This is the product that Eureka provides for free to all the daycares, the other age group classes. And here is my team in 2020. So proud of all of them. And here are the Brain Boosters directors. Naomi from Eureka, Hanneline from Eureka, and myself. And the EXCO team consists of Ewald, Hendrik, and myself. Brain Boosters were invited to enter the competition, the CSI Funders Den 2020. 50 dragons, 50 projects. Let's try our best and see.